The 2026 Toyota Shieldbeast 12x12 is built for one thing, going where normal trucks fail. 12 wheels, 6 axles, full all-wheel drive, and a turbo diesel made for America's hardest terrain. It's not transportation, it's a full adventure base camp on wheels. The exterior is all function and attitude. The oversized grille with Shieldbeast badging sets the tone immediately. A heavy-duty steel bumper, worn winch, and bright red and yellow tow hooks confirm it's ready for real recovery work. LED light bars line the roof rack, and sharp modern headlights with amber marker lights boost visibility in every environment. Massive beadlock wheels wrapped in aggressive all-terrain rubber show this truck is built to dig into mud, sand, and rocky paths. The matte black finish gives it a clean, purposeful, expedition-ready stance.
Step inside and it becomes a complete mobile base camp. You get a living area with comfortable seating, a dedicated bed section, and a kitchen built with a professional gas stove and modern appliances. A full bathroom with a shower and vanity makes long trips feel manageable. The skylight brings natural light straight into the cabin. Up front, premium leather captain's chairs with Shieldbeast branding, a leather-wrapped Toyota steering wheel, carbon fiber accents, terrain mode controls, and a solid automatic gear selector create a focused cockpit. Tech includes a massive vertical touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, and dual analog gauges with a center display. Pros: huge torque, extreme off-road ability, full living amenities, and true expedition durability. Cons: the size makes daily driving tough, and a top speed of about 90 miles per hour won't satisfy highway speed fans.
Here's one thing the company doesn't tell you. Its biggest strength is long-term endurance. Every feature is designed to keep you off-grid longer. With over 600 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque, power delivery stays smooth on any trail. The heavy-duty suspension works with the diesel torque to handle mud, sand, snow, and uneven ground without shaking the cabin. It's stable, controlled, and built for long-distance exploring, not city commuting. Ideal for adventurers, overlanders, families exploring America, weekend warriors, full-time travelers, and expedition teams. Skip it if you want a simple everyday driver or a fast highway cruiser.